launch a satellite that has changed the paradigm of how you approach telecommunications in the satellite industry. It does not come without challenges.
Tough challenges made this aerospace industry great, very robust and stable, and also a pleasure to work in. There is a say that also tough challenges make aerospace company a lot better.
Terrestar1 is the largest and heaviest satellite that's launched to date. It weighs nearly 7,000 kilograms at launch and has a reflector that measures 18 meters across when deployed on orbit.
All of us, I think, have been on a shuttle bus going from the airport to a car rental agency, and the satellite is about as big as that shuttle bus. It's 26 feet tall, it's about 10 foot square when it's stowed for launch.
With its 18-meter unfurlable reflector, terrestar1 has the largest commercial reflector.
The reflector is supplied by Harris Corporation in Florida. It is stowed during the launch, and once we are on orbit, it will be deployed like an umbrella that opens up.
The large reflector enables the most capable two-way mobile service ever launched, including telephone communications with a standard-sized cell phone that will work anywhere in the continental United States, Canada, Alaska, Hawaii, Puerto Rico, and the U.S. Virgin Islands.
Well, one of the uniqueness of TerreStar is that when we actually set out to design the satellite and the satellite specification, we sort of went about it in a different paradigm than has been done in the past. We looked at what the consumers were using today, what they were using in their day-to-day lives, and we said we wanted a satellite that would enable a consumer-level device to operate with a geosynchronous satellite.
The terrestar1 satellite works in conjunction with a ground-based beamforming system and an ancillary terrestrial component to provide next-generation 2 gigahertz mobile voice and data communications, monitoring, and messaging services.
A ground-based beamforming system, also provided by Loral, complements the functions of the satellite in forming up to 500 narrow high-power beams. These beams enable ordinary cell phone devices, handheld cell phone devices, to be used directly through the satellite.
Let's look at the handset that we've been able to produce. So you don't see the big bulky antenna, you don't see the big brick. This is the same size as smartphones are today. This will be the first integrated terrestrial satellite smartphone in the world.
We started work on this satellite in the second quarter of 2005. It was a very challenging design to accommodate a large number of communication channels within a satellite frame that could be launched on available launch vehicles. A large number of engineers and technicians, both at Space Systems Loral and our suppliers, have worked on this program. This satellite is truly a testimony for their skills and hard work and dedication.
I don't know if you can guess how many hours, man-hours were spent on this satellite, but they're actually way over 1 million throughout the time that the satellite has been designed, built, and tested. And this is only at Space Systems Loral. There are over 100 key suppliers around the world, from Japan to the United States to Europe, that also have contributed to the success of this program.
Space Systems Loral has done an excellent design as far as reliability and redundancy on the satellite goes. They've tested, and we are very confident that once this thing gets on orbit, it's going to operate perfectly for us.
Space Systems Loral's quality and reliability that is driven from top management down is a key aspect of why we believe TerreStar Networks will be a successful company moving forward.
Of course, a special thank to the Space Systems Loral employees who worked very, very hard. We're very proud to have been involved with TerreStar Networks and being able today to witness the launch of their first satellite, terrestar1.
We're in the final 20 seconds. Here is the famous countdown.
À tous de DDO, attention pour le décompte
From
final. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Top. Allumage Vulcain. Allumage des étages d'accélération à poudre et décollage. Les paramètres bord sont normaux.
And again,
Séparation de terrestar.
there it is. Look at the fist pumps go in the air. The cheers, the handshakes. As Clay Mowry and Jeff Epstein shaking hands. And man, there are a lot of people's hearts that were in their mouths wondering if this was going to happen.